In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Gmail into Microsoft Teams. This integration will make your workday more efficient by allowing you to streamline your communication right within Teams. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open Microsoft Teams on your device. If you've never used Teams before, it's a robust platform that allows for seamless communication and collaboration within teams and organizations. Once you have it open, you'll see a variety of options on the left side of your screen. Among those, look for the Apps section and click on it. The Apps section is a treasure trove for adding additional functionalities to your team's experience, making it more personalized and effective for your specific needs. Now that you're in the Apps section, it's time to search for Gmail integration apps. You can find tools like Outlook or other third-party connectors that will enable you to integrate your Gmail account. Simply type Gmail in the search bar and several options will appear. It's crucial to choose a connector that fits your needs, and you might find that some tools offer additional functionalities such as enhanced notifications or syncing options. Take your time browsing through these options to understand what each one offers. Once you've identified the Gmail integration tool that suits your needs, it's time to install it. Click on the app or connector to begin the installation process. You'll likely be prompted to sign in with your Gmail account. Make sure you have your credentials handy. By signing in and granting necessary permissions, you allow the tool to access your Gmail data, making it possible to integrate your email seamlessly with Microsoft Teams. After installation and signing in, the next step is configuring notifications or email syncing options. This part is significant as it will determine how and when you receive email updates inside Teams. You'll often find settings that allow you to receive notifications for new emails, or you might choose to sync your entire inbox. Tailor these settings to suit how frequently you check emails or how integrated you want your communication systems to be. It's all about making sure you don't miss important updates without having to switch between applications constantly. Now that everything is set up, you can start using Gmail within Teams for a more streamlined communication process. The integration means you don't have to hop back and forth between different platforms to manage your emails, as everything you need is right where you collaborate with your team. Enjoy the improved efficiency and integrated workflow. By following these steps, you'll find that handling emails alongside your team collaborations has never been easier. Integrating Gmail into Teams is a simple yet powerful change that enhances productivity by keeping your communications centralized and easily accessible. Happy communicating!